Alright YouTube, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm on BM3 right now. We're gonna be making one of our maps into a custom ROM so we can be able to do that rolling anti-lag. So the map that we're doing today is the stage 2 plus E30. So I'm about to start doing the conversion. That's what you do. It's doing that right now. It took about like 5 to 10 seconds for it to convert, but it's enabled. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the customRom section, which is gonna be, where is it at? Right here. Obviously it's not gonna let me go to the customRom because I need to be plugged into the car, but I'm about to do that right now in a bit. And as you can see right here on your map, it's gonna show that it's been converted. About to get it washed up first. Those new R888. Just gonna do a quick rinse. Dusty boys. She ain't even gonna scrub it. So this was his idea of rinsing the car. All he did was just spray it with soap. Look, it's still wet. He didn't even scrub it or anything, but he literally just pressure washed it with the soap coming out. We got the map loaded. Now we're gonna be ready to flash it so we can get that rolling anti-lag. So we got the flash in progress. You're gonna start getting these little lights going off. And that little sound too. This flash is taking a little longer than usual. But the lights are on?
Yeah. I think we fucked it up.
Better blow up the car.
We fucked it up.
See how slow the percentage is moving. Usually all the other flashes be done in like a minute or even 30 seconds. So the flash ended up taking like 5 minutes roughly. It was going really slow, but we got it done. Now we're gonna go test this bad boy out.
Let's get it.
So, alright, first attempt, trying to do it. Rolling anti-lag. Try doing 60 because the way you gotta do it, it's from 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. Anything in between, you can't go any higher.
It goes to 60.
Try a 60 roll. Let's see how it does. Try a 60, but this time brake boosting instead of the anti-lag. Alright, he's gonna try the anti-lag again, so
with
you
the
can
paddles.
With the paddles. So you can compare it with the brake boost. That's you right there.
1, 2, 3.
Way better, huh?
Yep.
way better with the anti-lag, with the rolling anti-lag compared to brake boost. Gets you right where you need to be. We'll do a little wide angle.
Bro, that ready?
He's gonna do a 30 roll. Let's see how it goes.
Oh no. I took it right away because it was weird. It felt weird.
Sketchy ass roll.
50?
50. He's gonna do a 30, but he's 50 instead. That one pulled.
That one felt really good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're good.
So now he's gonna try one, just no brake boost, no anti-lag, just straight full throttle.
Let's do a little 60. Right. 1, 2, 3. Huge difference.
For real.
Huge difference. That anti-lag just launches you right off.
Yeah, you can feel the difference between
Motherfuckers are going fast.
rolling anti-lag and brake boost. Rolling anti-lag puts you right where you need to be compared to brake boosting.
What do I tell you? It's 50. Which one do you think feel better?
The first one.
The 50? Or the 60?
No, this was a 60, right?
That was a 50.
No, the 60 low-key feels a little...
It does.
It hits harder, to be honest.
Let's see. Here goes the 60 paddles.
I feel like the wide angle looks better. Alright, 60 roll.
I think that's 60. Hold the game. 1, 2, 3. Yep.
Yeah, 60.
Paddles. 60 paddles for the win.
It puts you in the spot. Alright, he said one more. Once you do it, you can't stop. That one was good.
That's 60.
Pew, 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 pew.
You hear that shit?
So that was it for the rolling anti-lag. This shit blew up. Nah, I did pretty good, to be honest. Definitely hits harder than brake boosting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Lates.